Welcome to the Inventor 2015 Machine Elements Design course. This course will cover the design of machinery elements, using the standardized element library and the design accelerator tools. In this first class we will know the organization of the course and see a general overview of the contents to be learned. The course is divided into 8 modules, and they are composed of clones, practical examples, and complementary exercises. In the classes are explained the commands and tools, their ways of use and concepts, step by step. In the practical examples are applied the commands and tools already studied in the module in a real situation, training its use. In the complementary exercises, it is proposed a task for the student to do and train, based on the lessons and practical examples. In the first module, we will take the first steps in modeling machine elements, where we will know some concepts and applications in the working interface. In this module we will know and learn how to work with the library of standardized elements, the Content Center. In Module 2, we will know and apply the features of creating shafts and bearings. We will learn about the application of these elements, and how to perform the necessary calculations for the design of these components. In Module 3, we will learn about seal rings, keychains, and cam creation resources. We'll look at how to design seal rings, and transmits of elements such as cam and key races, very important elements for the transmission of motion. In Module 4, some resources for creation of pulleys, belts and gears will be presented. We will learn about the practical application of each of these components, and also how to perform some calculations, verifying that the components will support the requested efforts. In Module 5, we will learn the spring creation resources. We will know the types of springs and their applications, and we will see how to perform the basic calculations for the design of these elements. In Module 6, let's know and apply the pin creation features. We will know the types of pins and their applications, and also see how to perform the basic calculations for the design of these elements. In Module 7, we will learn the screw creation resources. We will see how to design screwed connections and perform design calculations. Finally, in Module 8 we will be introduced to the stress analysis environment. With this, we will have a good idea for the machinery elements design at Autodesk Inventor 2015. Thus, we will be able to develop projects for various applications, in a professional way. Let's start the course. Render, the one who knows teaches.